Like right there.
Right, that's good.
But where did you put the 9-inch mark?
Right up there.
Yeah, it usually starts about an inch past it. You can't see that. So. Give her hell, pal. Worst thing to do is frig it out. If you don't frig out one piece, you're not.
Spray it over here on the floor.
Yeah. Man up, son. I told you that 2-inch don't play. Before we do the next one, we need to mark. I know it's that big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that way, when you do matching bits, you went to a 6 on the number 1 hole. You go to
Went to the number 6 on the number 1 hole.
I put in 6 in the number 2 hole.
How's that? Let's bring it back a little bit.
Do it right there like that.
And then set up here.
That's static.
It only has, yeah,
A static statement. That was maximum drop before.
Alright, so where's this guy?
Wheel of Fortune. It's up for adventures on Wheel of Fortune. Specials and prizes. Tonight at 7:30 on Channel 9.
The ride height was going to be fitted. Like 1 inch of shaft showing it all the time. Most of the 3. That's 4 off.
Right, but don't worry about that now.
Your ride height is going to be 12 and up. Your 17 and a half.
Sleeping under the stars.
Starting to look like Chucky here.
It is.
Living a simple life. Enjoying the tranquility of nature. That's it, we're out of here. Puzzles and prizes. Whenever you shop at all. Because you never know who might drop by this Thanksgiving. Your sister and all her kids, your cousin and all his kids, that brother-in-law who's always hungry, and you'll be ready for him.
He did.
Because we get a break turkey and nobody needs all these prices. Nobody. That's what we mean when we say. Leading national retail grocery stores.
It's the end of the year, and like most of us, you're probably thinking, it's the end of the year, I should do something big. And like most of us, you're probably considering things like strapping a rocket pack to your backside, fireworking yourself across the Grand Canyon, or stripping naked, lighting your hair on fire, and running wildly through a
Medicare Part D plans change every year. Chances are your prescriptions do too. Now's the time to reevaluate your plan. Walgreens can help. It looks at the drugs you take and highlights ways for you to save. To get your free report, just ask your Walgreens pharmacist or visit Walgreens.com/Medicare. Information provided by Walgreens is not a substitute for your own research concerning your health care, including Medicare.
Was the day after Thanksgiving at Shoppers were out.